Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Alexa sensor routines using compatible Z-Wave devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Alexa sensor routines using compatible Z-Wave devices, begin by ensuring your Z-Wave device is set up correctly within your smart home network. Check the manufacturer's instructions for installing your Z-Wave device to ensure it is connected to the hub. Next, confirm that your Alexa device is also integrated with the same smart home hub that controls your Z-Wave devices. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet, and navigate to the Devices tab. In the Devices section, locate and select your Z-Wave device from the list. After selecting your device, check its current status to ensure it is online and responding. Now, create or modify a routine in the Alexa app. Select the Routines option from the menu, then tap on the plus symbol to start a new routine. Give your routine a clear name that reflects its purpose for easier future identification. Next, set the trigger for your routine. Choose when this happens and select your Z-Wave device as the trigger source. Define the conditions under which the routine will activate, such as motion detection or change in temperature. After setting the trigger, move on to the Action section of your routine. Choose what you want Alexa to do once the routine is triggered. This may include sending a notification, adjusting lights, or playing music. Once all actions are configured, tap Save to finalize your routine. Test the routine by performing the action that you defined as the trigger. Observe how Alexa responds to ensure the routine operates correctly. If necessary, return to the Alexa app to fine-tune any settings or actions in your routine. After multiple tests, you can confidently rely on your Alexa sensor routines with Z-Wave devices for seamless integration into your smart home. Finally, regularly check the status of your Z-Wave devices and routines to maintain their functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.